Jasper, got it? Miguel, got it? Okay, again, I will explain again kasi di ko na-record kanina. So all you need to do is to find which are zeros here. So, P of 2, is this a 0 or not? Is this a 0 or not? P of 2, yes, it's equal to 0. So therefore, we can use this for our factor later. Is P of negative 2 a 0? It's not. Nakuha niyo yung value? Hindi. What's the value of P of negative 2?
Negative 12 po yata.
Negative 12. Paki-check na lang if it's negative 12. So it's not a factor. What about P of 3? Is it? Is it a 0?
Not.
It's not a 0. What's the value here if you got it?
24 po.
It's 24, so therefore it's not a 0. What about P of negative 3?
0.
Yes.
It's a 0. So therefore, this is another factor for your given. Okay? So in writing if you already got your 3, because you are cubed, it's cubic, so you are expecting 3 factors. No need to get for the values for 6 and negative 6 because you already got your 3 values. Okay? Kahit hindi nyo nakunin yung mga natitira nun, okay na tayo. Now, let's identify the factors. So, it's cubed. So, therefore, expect that there are 3 factors here. Ready? Since the coefficient of our leading term is 1, pare-pareho lang na x yan. X. From negative 1, our negative 1, change the sign, it becomes plus 1. We always change the sign when we rewrite them to factors. We have here 2. It's equal to 0. Therefore, it's a root or it's a 0. Next week, i-explain ko na mas maayos to. It's a 2. So, therefore, change the sign. That becomes minus 2. Can you follow? Next, we have here negative 3. Negative 3. Change the sign. That's plus 3. Shortcut na lang yan yung change the sign. Okay? And those are the factors of your polynomial. Got it? Show a thumbs up sign if you got the process. Very good. Thank you. Do you want one more example? Okay. Ready? Let's have another example. This time, it's you who will try. So, kayo na bahala kung gusto nyong mag-factoring method or mag-rational root theorem. Ready? Try this. Ready? O, chill time muna. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Ready? I just need you to give me the correct answer in our chat box. Ready? Handa na kayo? On your marks. Get set. Find the factors of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Again, find the factors of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Your choice what method to use, whichever is easier for you. I already taught you the factoring techniques. I already taught you the rational root theorem. Whichever is easier for you, do it. Try it. Ano man yung magpapadali sa buhay ninyo, yun ang gawin nyo. Okay, you already know the process here. This can be solved using factoring by grouping or the rational root theorem. But what if in our problem, problem is find, for example, find the missing factor of this. So we are looking for the missing factor. Okay. Sige nga. I know you know the answer, but how will we find the missing factor in this problem? Sige nga. Anyone who can make a wild intellectual guess? Pwede rin namang playful guess. How? Ito lang ang suggestion ko. Think like a child. You don't have to complicate things. Okay. So, si Gabriel by division daw of polynomials. Si Vincent by answering it, then simplifying it. Okay. Siguro katulad ng sa division yon. Get all the three po. Yeah, how will you get the third? Factor the first and the third term. Okay. Paano yon? Sige nga. Kunwari, di nyo pa alam ang sagot. How will we find the missing factor? Sige nga, I want you to think critically, creatively, simply. How will you find the missing factor in this given? Ready na? Do you want a clue? Sa katabi po, hanapin po yung common factor. Wala namang common factor. Divide ko po negative 4 and negative 12. Oh, really? Very good. That's the fastest way to solve this. Very good. Oh, makinig, makaramdam. Mataya ka simple ito. Your classmates thought of the process in a difficult and long process kasi kailangan pang i-multiply ito, tapos i-divide ito by the product of this, tapos i-simplify pa. Mahaba yun. Mag-division ka pa, mag-long division ka pa, kaya kung nabinburita eh. Now, the fastest way to solve this is, sabi ko nga sa kanino kanina, think like a child. Isipin nyo kung paano lang yung pinakamadaling paraan. And your classmate got it correctly. That was Charles. He said, i-divide ko po yung negative 4 and negative 12. Very good. So there's the third factor here. Since 1 lang ito, remember, 1 lang yung coefficient nyo. So pare-parehong x lang yan. Kasi x times x times x, that's x cubed. Okay? Now, always remember, kaya nga diba sa rational root theorem, ang ginagamit mo lang yung leading term, coefficient, at saka yung constant. So therefore, you only need to work on this to find the remaining factor. Okay? We have here 2 times negative 2. 2 times negative 2, what's the answer? This is already negative 4. Can you follow? And we are getting the negative 12 as the constant of our given. So therefore, what will we do? We just need to divide negative 12 by negative 4. What is the answer? Negative 12 divided by negative 4. The answer is?
3.
It's positive 3. Very good. So, positive 3 doon. And you're finished. That's how we find the missing factor. Thumbs up if you got that process. Very good. That's the fastest way. Thank you for that, Charles. Okay? And I know for sure many of you already also identified that. Hindi lang nila chinat. Okay? Now, let's have another. Ready? Anong gusto nyo? Find the missing factor muna? Find the missing factor tayo. Ready? Find the missing factor of ready. Ready? Handa na. Wait lang. I'll just ready my given. Okay. Eto na. Game. Find the missing factor of x raised to 4 minus I want you to chat the answer in your chat box. 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 3x plus 10 if the factors are, so therefore it's to the four factors ang hinahanap nyo. 1, 2, 3. I will only give you the 3 factors. X plus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 2. Go. Chat me your answer. Try again. Charles, try again. Sophia, try again. Gabriel, check. Ediviel, try again. Marian, try again. Chelsea, check. Seth, try again. Pauline, check. Linnea, check. Marian, check. Kyla, check. Vincent, try again. Kendall, try again. Princess, I need a factor. Chanli, I need a factor. Elmo, try again. Meg, try again. Abigail, puros na try again naman din eh. Abigail, try again. Seth, try again. Katrina, check. Ay, wait. Katrina, check. John Lee, try again. Alexa, check. Jamie, try again. Elmo, try again. So, try lang ng try. You'll get the process here. We just need the remaining factor. Vincent, try again. Princess, try again. Meg, check. Shane, try again. Ayaw ka mape-pressure. You can do it. Game na. A little help. O, kailangan nyo siguro ng help kasi mas marami yung try again sa check eh. Jarek, try again. Okay, everybody attention, listen here. Madali lang siya. Very, very simple. So, the coefficient here, the leading coefficient is just 1. So, expect that all of this will just be 1. So, we have all x's here. Okay, next, let's move on with your constants. It should be equal to 10. So 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2. If it's negative 2, what should be the remaining term here to get a positive 10? Sige nga. 10, you just have to divide positive 10 divided by negative 2. What's the answer?
Negative 5.
It's negative 5. Correct. It's negative 5. Because when you multiply all those, negative 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 5, the answer is 10. Okay? Did you get the process? Show a thumbs up if you got the process. Show a thumbs up, please, if you got the process. Okay, thank you. One more. Ready? Find the missing factor. I guess this time you will get this correctly. Game. Ready? Let's make it a little more exciting. Okay, wow, ito mas masaya. Ready? X raised to 5 minus 20x cubed minus 30x squared plus 19x plus 30. And the given factors are x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 5 and tell me the remaining factor. Go. Ay, wala pong x raised to 4. Walang x raised to 4. Sir, paano po kapag di po 1 yung LC? O, yun yung next example natin. Sir, kukunin po talaga yung isa, yung nasa pinakahuli lang. Oo, kasi find the missing factor lang eh. Kung find the missing factors, mas maraming hahanapin mo. Okay. Let me see. Marian got it. Abigail, check. Pauline, check. Linnea, try again. Gabriel, check. Charles, check. Carl, check. Linnea, check. Meg, check. Elmo, try again. Abigail, check. Shane, check. Ah, mas marami ng check ngayon. Very good. Alexa, check. Vincent, check. Very good. Set. Express it in factored form. Set. Si Vincent, nasabi ko na bang tama yung sa kanya? Vincent, check. Alexa, check. Chanel, check. Chelsea, check. Katrina, check. Set. Try again. Kayla, check. Jamie, check. Princess, check. Okay na? Okay. So, yung mga na-try again kanina, try again. What is the problem? Try to identify. You just have to multiply all your constants among all your factors. 1 times positive 1, 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2 times 5, that is positive 10. 30 divided by 10, the answer is positive 3. So, x plus 3. So, therefore, that's the remaining factor. It's x plus 3. Looking back, Kyla, check. Jamie, check. Princess, check. Jasper, check. Kendall, try again. Okay. Siguro yung iba niyong classmate nalilito. When they divided 30 by 10, they changed the sign. No need to change the sign because we are dealing with the factors already. Pero kapag gumamit kayo ng rational root theorem, your P of negative 3 will be equal to 0. Yan. Ito, magiging positive 3 nang change the sign. Okay? Take note of that. You divide after multiplying all those remaining factors. Okay? Take note of that.
Sir,
Yes, question.
lagi po bang nasa huli yung hinahanap?
O pwede namang lagay natin sa harapan. O, sige. Ayaw na kita dyan kasi yung classmate nyo, ayaw ka dyan. Sige. This is x minus 1. O, find the remaining factor. Game. Sige nga. Inalis ko siya sa dulo. Nilagay ko siyang pangalawa. Sige nga. Find the remaining factor. Charles, check. John Lee, check. Linnea, check. Kent, check. Elmo, check. Meg, wrong. Try again. Chelsea, check. Pauline, check. Vincent, check. Meg, now is check. Gabriel, check. Ayun. So you're now getting it correctly. Ganun din. Kendall, check. Jarek, try again. Kasi inalis ko yung x minus 1 dito. Akala niya x minus 1 nawawala. Nilipat ko lang yung x minus 1 sa dulo. Ediviel, check. Marian, check. Jasper, check. Maze, try again. Okay. X plus 3 pa rin po. Sinolve ko pa. Check. That's also correct. Okay, so this simply means that your factors can change positions. So there's no specific order as to the positioning of your factors. Walang problema. Kahit mauna si x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x minus 5, it's no problem. Okay lang na magkapalit-palit ng lugar yung mga factors ninyo. So when we try this, 1 times 2, that's 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10, times negative 1, that's positive 10. 30 divided by 10, that's 3. So that's x plus 3. Okay? That's it. Sir, next week po ba yung graph? Yes, next week pa lang yun. Factoring muna tayo ngayon. Pero kung gusto nyo ngayon, pwede rin. Gusto nyo na? O next week na lang? Sagot kayo. Gusto nyo na ba ngayon yung graph or next week na? Di sa latangin, yun na lang makibot.
Next week po.
Okay. Next week na lang. Ngayon naman papakita ni sarili yun. Okay. Ako nga, ginawa ko na next week eh. Para chill-chill lang muna tayo yan. Factoring. You need to focus more in learning the factoring kasi ito muna ang pinaka-importante. Once you mastered this, the next lesson, the roots, zeros, and the factoring will just be very easy. Okay. Sir, bali for 2 weeks po yung topic natin. Yes, 2 weeks yung topic natin. So, yung quiz rin po hanggang next week. Yung quiz natin, dalawang parts niyan. Yung quiz for this week will be about factoring and the quiz for next week will be about graphing. Okay? Kahit anong theorem po, same pa rin po. Yes, any theorem, any method in finding the factors, pareho lang. Basta tama yung process na ginagawa. Okay? So, kung saan kayo mas masaya, yun yung gawin ninyong process. Okay? Na tama, ha? Make sure yung tamang process. Okay? Now, let's go back to the question of one of your classmates a while ago. Sir, what if hindi po 1 yung leading coefficient natin? Ready? Let's have this example. May deadline po ba sa pag-take ngayon ng quiz? Wala namang deadline. Pero as much as possible, huwag niyong hayaang magpatong-patong yung mga quiz ninyo. If you can take the test as early as this week para di mapatong sa next week, mas maganda. Kasi kayo din ang mahihirapan at the end kapag pinatagal nyo ng pinatagal. Ano po coverage ng quiz this week? Factoring lang. Factoring polynomials. Okay? Kung gusto nyo namang paabutin pa ng next week yon, okay lang. Kaya lang, dalawang quiz yung kukunin nyo nun. Yung factoring, tsaka yung graphing. O mas maganda, huwag nyo nang pahirapan yung sarili nyo. Okay? If you can settle all your summative assessments this week, settle them all now. Para di rin kayo mahirapan. May time po ba yung quiz? Yes, 1 hour. Okay? Other questions? Wala nang question? Okay. Okay. So, ready? I'll give you the next set of given. Ito yung question ng classmate nyo kanina. Sir, what if the given, the leading coefficient is not 1, but 3x cubed plus 2x minus 3x minus 2 po. Well, this is our given. This is not 1. Can you try it? Please try to solve this. Ay, kulang to. May squared doon. Okay? So, pakitry nyo nga. Find the factors of this given. Your own choice. Your own choice of method. Ready? Your own choice of method. Game. Send me your answers when you're finished. Wow, ang bilis ng mga classmates nyo, ah. Linnea, got it. Gabriel, simplify. Maisie, simplify. Chelsea, check. Ediviel, look at your answer. Go back. Katrina, check. Janly, try again. Ediviel, ayun, na-correct na niya. Check. Gabriel, check. Vincent, check. Charles, check. Jarek, I need 3 factors. Alexa, check. Janly, check. Maisie, check. Kyla, try again. Set, check. Very good. Feeling ko ginamit ng mga to factoring, no? By grouping. Ne, napansin nila yung pattern, eh. Very good. Siyang yabang-yabang nyo yan sa grouping, ha? Alam nyo bang natutunan ko lang yung factoring by grouping na yan noong nagtuturo na ako? College, hindi ko man maintindihan anong technique ng factoring by grouping na yan. I only learned the process of factoring by grouping when I was teaching already. Kaya nga tinuro ko na yung technique sa inyo kasi yung mga professors ko hindi naman tinuro yung technique. Okay. No ka rin na ako. Ninitawli ko sinabi. Alexa, check. Janly, check. Naizay, nasabi ko na to. Kyla, try again. Set, set yung huli. Set, check. Meg, check. Jasper, try again. Kent, check. Marian, check. Okay. So, their classmates got it correctly. The fastest way to solve this is by using factoring by grouping. Plus sa gitna kasi plus plus, negative negative. So magpa-plus muna ako. Common factor is x squared. What's left here is 3x plus 2 plus i-factor out ko si negative 1. So magiging siyang 3x plus 2. Okay, I hope you did the same thing. Okay, common factor. Common factor, we have 3x plus 2. And then I have x squared minus 1. And x squared and 1 are both perfect squares, and it's minus, so this can still be factored. So I have here 3x plus 2. Factors of this, it's difference of 2 squares. That's x, x, 1, 1, positive, negative. That's it. Very good. And we did that by factoring by grouping. Pwede po bang i-rearrange yung po ginawa ko? But yes, you can rearrange them. Possible na mauna si x plus 1. Kung masaya kayo na mauuna si positive, o sige, paunahin nyo yun, x plus 1. Tapos, dahil ayaw nyo yung negative na ugali, gusto nyo positive ang mauna, pangalawa si 3x plus 2, pwede rin. 3x plus 2. Tapos huli nyo si negative 1, x minus 1, that's also correct. No problem with the arrangement because multiplication is commutative. Pwede magpalit-palit yung mga factors. Okay? So this will end in any moment. This will end in any moment. In our first invite, kindly join for another example and afterwards, some reminders na lang. Okay? So, this will end in any moment. Kindly SS, paki-SS po to those who are copying the process. Pinag-group ko po yung... okay. Alexa has a different process. Ipapakita natin later yung concern ni Alexa. Alexa, please bring this concern in our next invite.